If you need automotive dent repair, Hail-Dent-Repair is the company to call in Marshall, Texas. We are a full-service, auto hail repair center, and are licensed and insured for your convenience. If you were affected by the recent hailstorm in Marshall, Texas, we're here to help you with your automotive hail repair needs. Hail-Dent-Repair is a nationwide hail damage repair company. Specializing in paintless dent repair is the process of removing minor dents and creases from your car without repaying or replacing any parts. We are the premier choice when it comes to hail damage, and we can handle any hail damage repair size. Hail-Dent-Repair has the experience and professionalism to take on any amount of cars your dealership might have. We employ only technicians with extensive training and years of expertise. We also offer free consultations, where you can get all of your questions answered before committing to a service. For 15 years, we've been providing our customers with quality work at competitive rates while always putting their needs first. Our family-owned business has grown into one that employs hundreds of skilled technicians across the country, who are experts in paintless dent repair, PDR. Contact us today at 903-280-7666 to get a free estimate at our Marshall, Texas location.